Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, May 12th, 2021, about 6:40 a.m. What I have up here, I have the ES 4-minute charts up on the screen. I have the Astro Excel overlaying the Vedic trend indicator. You can see the 5 panes on the bottom, A1, A2, A3, B1, and B2. And then I have the Astro Excel overlaid on top of that with the price action. So I want to take a look from yesterday and take a look at what happened and then make a projection into today. So what you can see, I drew these trend lines on the chart. The green line is the bigger trend. The blue line is the shorter trend on the Excel. And I'm not showing the gray line, which identifies the turning points. But what we've got here, you can see the trend lines that I put on the chart. I'm following the path of the blue line on the indicator here and adjusting that up onto the price action so you can see that tracking of the market. So we're bottoming out on the green line in this area here. Green line finally bottoms out here. Market made this low in this area. Now the green line's pushing up, makes a peak here about 1:30, 2 o'clock, and then stays up in that area, in the plus 10 area, and then kind of goes flat overnight. So the market has been tracking the blue line. So you can see how the price action has pretty well been tracking that blue line for the trend. You can see that downswing here. This push back up. Now we're pushing down. We should probably get some pushback to somewhere in this area, this low. Now on the Vedic we've turned bullish here at about 2:30 a.m. right here, because we have A2 and B1 have both gone green, and we're in a timing window on the star here, so we'll see what happens with that. But we've got this white timing window coming in 10:49 to about 12:24. Potentially this looks like it should be a top if the market continues tracking with the blue line. The blue line's peaking out right near the end of that window in there, so that would likely be a high today, or a minor high, and then we should get a little bit of a pushback down till about 2 p.m., 2:15 or so, and then we're going to be up into the close today. We have another timing window. We've got the bright green window here at what should be some sort of a high, but that one's at the time of the day near the close, where those time periods aren't as reliable. So that's what we have for today. We will be back again with another video, and we'll see you then.